Hello ma'am, hello sir. My name is Princess Andre Lepanto Cawas, 24 years old from Antipolo City, Philippines. I am married and have three children. My oldest daughter is 4 years old and my second daughter is 3 years old and my youngest son is 1 years old. And hope you hire me as your helper and I will do my responsibility and duties as a helper to your family. And I will do the household chores and general cleaning, wash the dishes, wash the clothes, ironing, and other things. And also cooking and very important to take care of your children. And I'm a trustworthy and I'm a kind and sweet person, especially to your kids. And hope you hire me as your helper. Thank you.